Want to speak English confidently? Speak. Learn, practice, improve. Speak English confidently every day. Let's speak English together.
I go to the gym. I go to the gym. I put my bag in the locker. I put my bag in the locker. I tie my shoes. I tie my shoes. I stretch before I exercise. I stretch before I exercise. I walk on the treadmill. I walk on the treadmill. I run every day. I run every day. I lift weights. I lift weights. I drink water. I drink water. I wipe my sweat. I wipe my sweat. I do sit-ups. I do sit-ups. I ride the bike. I ride the bike. I stretch my legs. I stretch my legs. I do push-ups. I do push-ups. I check my watch. I check my watch. I take a break. I take a break. I use a band. I use a band. I lift it slowly. I lift it slowly. I feel strong. I feel strong. I pack my bag. I pack my bag. I bring my water bottle. I bring my water bottle. I wear gloves. I wear gloves. I hold a plank. I hold a plank. I warm up first. I warm up first. I use the rowing machine. I use the rowing machine. I lift carefully. I lift carefully. I do lunges. I do lunges. I check my form. I check my form. I do jumping jacks. I do jumping jacks. I cool down slowly. I cool down slowly. I find a quiet spot. I find a quiet spot. I adjust the seat. I adjust the seat. I stretch my shoulders. I stretch my shoulders. I do bicep curls. I do bicep curls. I breathe deeply. I breathe deeply. I hold my plank longer. I hold my plank longer. I climb the stairs machine. I climb the stairs machine. I rest and drink water. I rest and drink water. I stretch to the side. I stretch to the side. I high-five my friend. I high-five my friend. I squat slowly. I squat slowly. I press the weights up. I press the weights up. I stretch my legs more. I stretch my legs more. I arrive at the gym. I arrive at the gym. I stretch my calves. I stretch my calves. I do tricep dips. I do tricep dips. I jog slowly first. I jog slowly first. I check the time. I check the time. I breathe slowly and rest. I breathe slowly and rest. I feel great today. I feel great today. I wipe my forehead. I wipe my forehead. I stretch one leg. I stretch one leg. I hold a straight plank. I hold a straight plank. I press with my legs. I press with my legs. I take a water break. I take a water break. I stretch my chest. I stretch my chest. I stretch my neck. I stretch my neck. I do a wall sit. I do a wall sit. I stretch my back. I stretch my back. I rotate my ankles. I rotate my ankles. I touch my toes. I touch my toes. I lift the kettlebell. I lift the kettlebell. I hold a side plank. I hold a side plank. I jump rope. I jump rope. I stretch my wrist. I stretch my wrist. I stretch my hamstring. I stretch my hamstring. I stretch my hip. I stretch my hip. I do mountain climbers. I do mountain climbers. I pull the band. I pull the band. I walk to cool down. I walk to cool down. I stretch my triceps. I stretch my triceps. I extend my back. I extend my back. I step up slowly. I step up slowly. I press my chest. I press my chest. I twist my spine. I twist my spine. I raise my heels. I raise my heels. I stretch my quad. I stretch my quad. I row slowly. I row slowly. I stretch my ankle. I stretch my ankle. I twist my body. I twist my body. I roll my shoulders. I roll my shoulders. I stretch my leg back. I stretch my leg back. I jog a little. I jog a little. I stretch my arm. I stretch my arm. I balance on one leg. I balance on one leg. I fold forward slowly. I fold forward slowly. I pack my mat. I pack my mat. I stretch one more time. I stretch one more time. I check my results. I check my results. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. I put my shoes away. I put my shoes away. I drink my last water. I drink my last water. I close my locker. I close my locker. I say goodbye. I say goodbye. I leave the gym. I leave the gym. I feel happy now. I feel happy now. I check the time outside. I check the time outside. I stretch before I go. I stretch before I go. I had a good workout. I had a good workout. I go home now. I go home now.